Hi there, I'm Christina Brewer. I recently painted this starry sky mountain scene and I had so much fun. I wanted to show you how I did it. The sky is in watercolor and the mountains are in gouache, so it's a bonus because there are two tutorials wrapped up in one. In this painting tutorial, we will start with the background of a starry galaxy sky. I wet the whole upper 2/3 of my paper with clean water and dab in the water a variety of colors, mostly blues, purples, and pinks. Near the horizon, there will still be an orange glow from the sun setting. This part is so fun. I drop in darker blues towards the top of the painting so the sky gradually gets lighter as it goes to the horizon. I deepen some of the colors in the middle of the sky, then lift some of the wet paint out of the area where the galaxy line is to make it brighter than the rest of the sky. I use a tiny clean sponge, but you can also use paper towel and just lightly dab the paper to soak up some paint. Now I let the painting completely dry for the next layer. When the painting is dry to the touch, I wet the whole sky again. Mix a very dark bluish black and place it in the sky. I dot it around as if I'm making clouds around the galaxy. I deepen the purples to define the galaxy edges and let it dry to the touch again. Now I take a tiny trimmed brush, meaning I buy the smallest brush I can, and when it gets old and splayed, I cut a bunch of the hairs off so it can make tiny dots and lines. In the little tray I have white gouache and silver metallic paint. I hand dot all of the stars on, but if you're impatient you can also dip a brush in paint and splash dots onto your painting. That is the more fun but more unpredictable route as well. I enjoy this part because it's the moment you can really see the sky in what you painted. Be sure to vary the sizes of your stars for a more realistic effect, and concentrate more stars in the galaxy area, and why not add a shooting star? After the sky is dry, I put some dark mountain gouache colors on my palette. They are ultramarine, burnt umber, cobalt blue, and white. I mix a dark gray blue with burnt umber and ultramarine and put down the first layer defining the mountain shapes. I adjust the mountain shapes until I'm happy with the way they sit in the composition. Next, I mix together a brighter cobalt blue to give the mountains some form with highlights. I make the mixture lighter and lighter gradually to give more definition to the highlights as needed. Then I deepened the shadows because I decided I wanted more contrast in the painting. All this time, I'm still only painting the mountains with the 4 gouache colors I mentioned in the beginning. Thank you for watching this video and happy painting! Thank you.